Houston weather tripping again. We still gotta eat. Green bean casserole, some mac and cheese, some pork loin ribs. And jiggle. Mix it up. There you go, a cup of milk. And add some of that soy sauce, baby. There you go. Add all your seasonings. Butter. And brown it up. Top of your green bean casserole. Butter. Mac and cheese stuff. Add all your stuff to it. Mix it up. Some of that cheese. Mozzarella. Cheese. Ribs. Oil. Seasonings. There you go. Some garlic herb. Show some love. Now the oven. Now the barbecue sauce. Now you take them out and put them in a hot pan. There you go. Then you put some of that hot barbecue sauce on top of it. Let them sit, simmer, and then plate.